It's kismet. If I am ever getting dressed up to go anywhere, I will always have a nice necklace and a little pair of earrings. But I would like to expand my accessory horizons. Combine that with my crafter's audacity and call me the Jersey Shore, because we got a situation. Now, Pinterest has not been lacking for me. Number one, bandana or headscarf. Now, I like a bandana, but I prefer the ones that have the elastic underneath instead of having to tie it into a knot. It just makes for less bulk in the back, and I really want to try and embroider some cute little things onto it. Now, I myself am not much of a purse person. A completely original joke that no one has ever made before, I'm sure. I have two main bags, an itty bitty crossover bag that just fits my phone and a couple of cards, and then I have a small backpack. So it's either like running out to do an errand or spending a weekend somewhere. I have a couple different ideas, but mainly I want to try out these cute little stuffed animal heads. And last but not least, glasses chains. Whether it is my sunglasses or my blue light blocking glasses at my desk, I find it ultra annoying when I like put them on top of my head and then like go to give someone a hug and I tilt my head back too far, then they fall off. Or my blue light blocking glasses have the kind of nose bridge that if you put them up in your hair, they're gonna get caught in your hair. And I've seen some really cute designs that are uber inspiring me. So with all that said and done, let's get started. So let's go ahead and start with the hair scarves. I have gone ahead and put together a pattern, and I also picked out some fabrics. First, we have a lovely dark green, and then a pretty purple floral bed sheet. And last but not least, I do have a bunch of these white handkerchiefs from when I was doing a bunch of embroidery stuff, and I kind of figured it has this really pretty edge to it, so might as well give it a shot. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut my pieces out of my chosen fabrics. And then on the main part of the headscarf, I'm going to do a double rolled hem for the floral fabric. And the dark green. And lucky for me, the handkerchief already has a finished edge, so I won't have to do anything there. For the floral fabric, we're gonna go with this pretty purpley pink lace. For the white handkerchief, this beautiful blue and white lace, which you might have seen me use before. Then I'm going to take these bands, I'm going to sew them into a tube, turn that tube inside out, and then snake some elastic through that tube. And for this dark green, I actually don't think we're going to put anything on the edge. I think I am more so going to focus on maybe doing some cool embroidery on the edges. These have come out so cute. Truth be told, I'm really wanting to start on the glasses chains. Or what did my mom call them the other day? Froggers? Hoppers? Something like that. Something to do with frogs. Unfortunately, I'm waiting for some wire to come in the mail. I think it's in the mailbox right now, but my husband is at work and has our only mail key, so I will have to be patient. But I figure for now, let's make a bag charm. I have three main ideas. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all of them in this video. Mainly, and I think I mentioned this before, I wanna do a little stuffed animal head. I already have a pattern that can be used for the animal head. Ta-da! This is the same pattern that I used for my Patchwork Pal video. In any case, I need to start by picking out a fabric, or maybe two, and then cutting out my pieces. Look at how cute they are already. I picked out a couple of buttons for the eyes, and I also went ahead and made some ears for both of them. And importantly, I have a small lobster claw attached to a little piece of ribbon that will just go right at the top. I also fused some lining to these materials since both of them are a bit stretchy, and when I stuff them, I don't want to get any weird bulges in them. So I believe my next tasks are to attach the buttons to the outsides, and then to close them up, I'll take the ears and place them like so. Same with the lobster claw. And then I will take the back, lay it on top like a little sandwich, stitch all around the edges, and then when I flip it inside out, the ears will pop out as well as the attachment. like I look a bit berries and cream in the hair today. It is the dawn of the final craft. These are my blue light blocking glasses. I wear them mostly while editing at my computer. They really need a chain to hang around my neck because I can't put them like up in my hair like this with this type of nose bridge pad. They will become caught in my hair and bring upon me as much despair as when a canine most adorable might overlook my affections. I've been listening to Half a Soul on Audible. Don't know if you can tell. So I have a bunch of different beading and some jewelry chain, as well as a bunch of these little rubber bits that actually go around the glasses leg. What is this part called? Leg, sure. And some jewelry wire and a fancy new tool that will cut and bend the wire into like a little eyelet. I have collected quite a large number of pearl beads, so I think that's kind of where we're going to start. And then maybe we can branch out into other designs.
Are you wearing the
Chanel boots?
Yeah, I am.
What is not to be happy about here? I think the bandanas are so cute. I left the other one downstairs, but I have been wearing it a bunch to markets. I do feel a little bit like a Pokemon trainer, but I think they will be such an easy accessory to just slap on. Not to mention, they are great for greasy hair days. I'll probably make a couple more in different colors to match the rest of my wardrobe. And guess what all the women in my life are getting for Christmas this year? The glasses chains. Nice. They just immediately add so much to right away. I probably won't wear them very often, but I did also make these little ones. They do not have a chain on them, and I feel like they invoke like cute little earrings. And then I did also make a silver chain that has these really cool long glass beads that I harvested from a thrifted lamp. Yeah, they are just so much fun. If I ever end up needing prescription glasses, you can bet your bottom dollar you'll see me with these things dangling around at any event I ever go to. And lastly, the back charm. Or as I have been calling them, critter keychains. I'm in love. I would get out of my car and run across the freeway to retrieve these. That is how serious it is. I've decided I'm naming this one Mocha and this one Dust. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. You know what? It's not even a Pokemon trainer. I feel like I look like the Pokemon breeders because of the color.